Hi there, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to check for grade 10 school placement, and we'll be using the SMS option. So without further ado, let's get started. So first guys, I created a video earlier on telling you how you should be checking this online, and the website was not responsive. And I received a lot of negative comments. I don't know why. Yet I explained very well that the website is not responsive. But if it does, that is the procedure on how to check for these placements. So guys, let's check if the website is okay before we move to the SMS option. So first, you come to Google and you will search grade 10 school placement, just like that. Let's see the results. Okay, this AI is explaining the procedure from different websites. So if you scroll down here, we'll click on this very link. Okay, just move down and see this is news. Okay, there's nothing much down here. So we'll come and you'll click on this link just like that, and it will load. Just give it few seconds. Can't reach this page. Let's refresh it. Okay, so guys, you see it is not functioning. It's not functioning at all. Okay, so that leaves us with one option. Just like I said, the website is not responsive, so at least you can see it is not my mistake. Now I want you to come on your phone and you will load your messages up just like that, and then you'll go to new message, and under the new chat you will send the message to 22263 and then send to, just like that. And then it's going to open. Once it opens, now you'll have to type the assessment number for the learner. So I'll do that pretty quick. And there we go. And then you send. When you are sending this, make sure that you have 30 shillings as airtime in your phone, because they deduct 30 shillings from your airtime. So once you send that and you have 30 shillings as airtime, they will return you a message that reads the name of the student and the school that the student has been placed. And to add on that, they give you the pathway that the student has been placed in. So if you check and find that the school is not the one you wished your child to join in, then they are going to open a window. I think it's from tomorrow, that is date 23. For 7 days, you have that chance to, change the school. Okay. So when that also will be opened, I'll be able to make a video and of course share with you how to make the changes so that your student or your learner can go in the very school that you wish. So this is how you can be able to check for the grade 10 school placement using the SMS option. I hope this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button so that this video can be shared to more people who are searching about this topic. And if you are enjoying my general content, feel very free to subscribe with the notifications on so that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, I would like you to click on the right side of your screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I'll see you in that video. Peace.